Come on in. Hi, foodies. Welcome to Food Things. Today, we are preparing boneless chicken thighs. We are going to debone these chicken thighs and just grill them on a grill pan. I will put the link of how to debone chicken thighs in the description box below. This recipe is inspired by Nando's boneless chicken thighs. You can use spices of your choice, but I would recommend Portuguese chicken spice. I did not use that. I used paprika, cumin, and mixed herbs. But I think it will go well with Portuguese chicken spice. Remember, when you grill, always skin side down, just to firm the chicken skin. I started making dinner very late today, and I did not have enough time to do a meal prep. And that is clearly noticeable on the meat because the spices did not hold onto the meat. You can also see it on these two pieces of chicken. Only the inside is fully coated. Why? Because it is flesh and spice will hold onto flesh, but onto the skin it will just slide off. On the side, as you can see, I'm already preparing my pap, so we are going to serve this with pap. Grill it for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Never overcrowd your grill pan. Instead, fry in batches, because if you overcrowd it, it's going to create steam and you will not have the desired results in the end. As you see, I'm now returning the first batch which I took out back into the grill pan, and I'm going to turn down my heat just to grill it on low heat while I'm preparing my pap on the side. Cooking pap takes approximately 30 minutes, so that will be 30 minutes slow grill for the meat until it's cooked. Total cooking time will be 45 minutes. Like I said on my previous video where I made pap, I'm using yellow corn meal or yellow corn flour and not white corn flour. I will put the link of the pap in the description box below as well. Just look at these beautiful pieces of meat. And the smell. Just try it and you let me know. The pap is done, so now I'm just going to close the pot and let it steam. The thighs are also done. I'm just going to prepare a quick relish. I'm just going to heat up this mild bottled archer as relish. And dinner is served. If you don't have Nando sauce, Tabasco sauce will do, just for the kick. Mmm, yum. Try it with Portuguese chicken spice or lemon and herb spice and let me know how it went. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and see you in the next one.